One, it detects the stringing is too fast. The FlyCart 30 will stop a while and will manage that, will control that stream. Hi everyone, welcome back to our Corner YouTube channel. Today I will cover all about you need to know before you buy the FlyCart 30. First, the payloads. The payloads, you can carry heavy payloads. Many people before they ask me, the Argus drone, how long can we fly? This is crazy. Because the Argus drone is to save time. Meanwhile, now you got the FlyCart 30 that can bring 30 kg and can fly long times. And also, how far we can fly. Yes, it's not like the Argus. The FlyCart 30, you can fly up to 20 kilometers. And what about how high? Because I'm flying in the harsh environments, like in the mountains. Yes, for the mountain region, you can fly up to 1.5 kilometers, the altitudes, and 20 kilometers. What else you need more? And the flight speed is 20 meters per second, maximum flight speed. So that will help you saving time for the fast delivery purpose. Not just a small item. 30 kg is a big item. So for the industrial use, and you can use for the offshore deliveries. And when you think about the drone and when you think about the deliveries, now you might be thinking many delivery solution. It just dropped. You don't need to drop the item. So our FlyCart 30 have a two solution. If you have a landing spot, yes, you can land with a cargo mode. If you don't have the landing spot, don't worry, we never drop the item like this. We will have a winch system to pull down and drop the item gently. So that is the main benefit. You can deliver your item at no risk and very safe and gentle. What about the temperature range? Can I fly in the freezing or can I fly in the high temperature time? My answer will be yes also. Because you can fly at the weather resistant up to from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius operation temperature. And usually wind speeds, for the environment wind speeds up to 20 meters per second wind speeds can be easily resistant. And another idea, we are bringing our item with a winch with the cables. While we are flying, the cable might be swinging. Don't worry. Our FlyCart 30 have a string control system. One, it detects the stringing is too fast. The FlyCart 30 will stop a while and will manage that, will control that string within 45 seconds time. One, you say the smart is the IP55 weather rating. So what is IP55? Any correction and height in even the rainy times. This is very resistant even to the rainy time, the water. You can use any kind of environment. You can use the FlyCart 30. And because we go with everything dual too, as in my flight test video I mentioned already. Dual radar, dual vision sensor, and the obstacle avoidance. More important thing for the safety. We will have a parachute system and also we use a dual battery. In terms of something happen, you don't need to worry and you don't need to panic because the drone, the parachute system will automatically turn on and bring your drone at safe landing. What about our winch hang on the trees or anything can easily melt out and can bring it down to make your drone is very safe. So the cargo box, is it small or big? Oh, it's quite big. 70-liter cargo box. So you can put on like all item, whatever you want to bring. Maybe you on a picnic or you want to send it to the island or you want to bring your item. Maybe some people they want to install the third-party payload like a robotic arm. You can also use for robotic arm the third-party payload for different kind of application scenario as you require. What about the operation? Are we flying manual or no? The full process is automatic. You can plan on our DJI Delivery FlyCart. You can just spot is on the 3D map. So that is brilliant. I'm sure you will be very happy. You don't need to map out the farm, and you will get the 3D map. You will be planning on the 3D map. That will help you, bring a lot of benefits. And if you are saying, oh, I want to bring behind the mountains, that also possible. You just buy the additional remote controller. You can transfer to another panel, or you can use the DJI Delivery FlyCart to plan your mission as you desire and or as you require. Yes, so then maybe we integrate the system so that for all kind of industrial delivery purpose, not just limited to our cargo or not just limited to our wind system. If you are saying my application is much more different, I want to bring my equipment in the air, I want to put it like 20, maybe until like 35 minutes, 40 minutes. Yes, the FlyCart 30 is for you. And whatever kind of like third-party payloads, you can. This is for you. Longer flight time, heavy payloads, and the smooth, very safe, and smart and safe, and everything automatic. If you have more questions and your requirement is special, you can reach out our sales people. You can let it. Our technical people are here to assist you. You can leave your comment, and whatever you want to know more, let us know, and we are here for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.